Go. And Purple Flyers have one goal.
The Lagos State government, through the STEAM Up initiative, led by the Senior Special Assistant to the Governor, Adetola Salau, and the Ministry of Education, in collaboration with the U.S. Consulate, has introduced Nigeria to the world's latest hip sports, drone soccer, in no place than Alimosho, Agege, and Ipaja, home to Lagos State's fastest growing demographics and techpreneurs of the future.
This drone initiative is a part of the STEAM Up Lagos project, which was birthed by the desire for us to make sure that our students are future ready and they're able to compete globally.
We are happy that our districts and our schools and my students are the first set of people to have the benefit of partnering with them and having contacts with this kind of program. Is a great privilege indeed, and we are happy about it.
The adroit way the children took to the initiative validated the position of the state government that indeed children are the hope of Nigeria.
It's part of what we are trying to do to show the importance of STEM or STEAM, as we like to call it, because we've added A, which is of course art and design, to show how it relates to everything that we do in on a daily basis. I just hope that they'll soak in the lessons of this program. I hope that they will realize and understand that the future of work is actually STEAM, and so that it will influence whatever they decide to become in future. I hope they'll also enjoy the program, because learning should be fun as well.
From what I've been seeing inside, they are very excited about it. It keeps them engaged, and it's not all about learning things in the book theoretically. This is real-life applications of technology that they can learn from.
We're very happy to bring this activity to the students. Of course, it's not just about flying the drones, but how you use these skills, these technologies to advance, in your education and your careers.
The STEAM Up initiative trained 50 teachers and 500 students in Lagos Education District 1, comprising Agege, Alimosho, and Ifakoijayi local government areas. The students were trained in drone technology, solar panel assembly, weather balloon technology, cell phone repair, artificial intelligence, and coding video games.
The program has consisted of this drone training, solar cell assembly, using weather balloons, and also cell phone and laptop repair, giving them skills that are needed for the future of work, skills that are needed to make sure that you're able to work with people all across the world. Their teachers have also been given the capacity to be able to work and guide and become more effective facilitators.
We've trained young people on drones, on really techie stuff, putting together gadgets and many more, and really just giving them a channel to put their energy towards.
We're really focusing on youth because we really want to ignite that interest at a young level. And also really in underserved school districts where students may not have access, and that's why we chose District 1 in coordination with the ministry. And you see the interest today. You see the faces of these kids who are competing. You see the excitement. You see the enthusiasm. And really that's what it's all about. Science is exciting.
8 teams comprising 8 members each participated at the Africa's first drone soccer competition. Paysetter team, Ijayi Housing Senior Grammar School, came first in the competition.
This is just like a gateway to the broader participation of all districts and students. And with what I've seen here, is going to be embraced by all the districts and all our students.
We are very, very, very excited. During the course of our training, we have been trying very, very hard so that we will emerge the winners today. And we are very happy that all our hard work are not in vain. And teamwork, we worked together. That will make us outstanding. Pacesetters,
We lead, others follow.
Yeah, we lead, others follow.
I'm very happy because we have been looking forward to this day. We assembled the drones from the scratch, how to repair. We have we selected the players. Some are engineers, some are battery chargers. We have striker, we have the defenders. But the key word is the patience and teamwork. Big thank you to Lagos State government for allowing us to showcase our talent, and the U.S. Consulate for sponsoring this program.
The winning team will be eligible to travel to the US and represent Nigeria at the International Drone Soccer Tournament in 2022. The second and third place teams will receive up to $1,500 in equipment for a STEM lab in their school.